Welcome to an overview of WiScholar, an online collaborative tool that offers teaching and learning spaces for instructors, groups, and courses. WiScholar provides a way to create or publish open-access web content while still allowing for privacy settings. Since it doesn't require technical expertise on the part of the user, it's an easy way for instructors, students, or group members to post, comment on, and self-organize around content that they have created or collected. Let's take a quick look at the features of WiScholar as they are set up on the demo site. This particular site is set up for course use of WiScholar. The announcements feature is pretty self-explanatory. Only instructors can post in this space in order to pass along important information to students. The blog tool allows for posts and comments from all members of the course. For this example, Blogging in Education, you can see the post with a comment below it. You'll also notice that Blogging in Education post is tagged with Group 1 and Resource link. Looking at the right side of the screen here, you can see the different keywords we've organized our content around so far on the demo site: meeting minutes, resource, and groups. On our demo site, you'll see that we've created vocabularies for Group 1 and Group 2, as well as other descriptors. Keep in mind, these aren't groups within the site that limit access. Any member can see posts tagged with Group 1 or Group 2. They merely assist us in organizing and navigating the site's content. The Books feature can be used for collaborating on a document. It has a book model with parent and child relationships of pages and a table of contents. The Books feature really is for streamlined and simple collaboration. It does not have robust formatting capabilities. The editor is limited for just basic markup. Also, while WiScholar does provide versioning and attribution for changes made, it really doesn't provide an easy overview of all collaborators' contributions. For example, if an instructor wanted to track contributions for grading group work. The calendar is another self-explanatory feature that can help keep track of important due dates and events. The Citations tool is a great way to share knowledge through a course bibliography. Either the instructor can provide the bibliographic information on required or mentioned texts, or students can contribute references to works that they've consulted in their own work. All of these entries can be annotated with any notes or an abstract that's provided by the author or that you want to add. Class content is another space just for the instructor. Here, he or she can deliver course materials to the students like a syllabus, handouts, etc. Critiques is a place to upload materials for group use, and also a place for students to post presentations or papers in order to receive feedback from their classmates. Keep in mind that while you can attach and upload various file types, WiScholar is designed for publishing content and not for file storage. Feeds is a space for automatically collecting useful content from the internet. You can even include Twitter feeds. Images is a nice gallery space for collecting and maintaining images that are relevant to your course topics. Links, as you may have guessed, is a space where you can add and maintain useful external links for your course. It's important to note that you can turn off any of these features that you don't anticipate using in your course, so you don't clutter the space or confuse students about what they're supposed to do on the site. To do that, you go to the control panel, and here you can see the options of having disabled, public, or private for each feature. The ability to restrict some features and open up others is particularly useful for those instructional needs that require a closed collaborative space, but also a presentation space to share with campus partners, professionals, and field researchers that you've invited to participate. Or it can be a way to share knowledge with the public at large. So having the ability to turn some features as private, just for the course use, and some to public, that's open to the public, the general public that accesses the internet, can be really useful. You can also make the entire site private if that's what's needed for your course. That concludes our basic overview of WiScholar, a space for collaborative teaching and learning.